చెయ్యి. ఇలాగా పెట్టింది. ఏది లేదు చూపిస్తా. Hi traders, welcome to Crude Live. As of now, in daily time frame, it created bottom here near to bottom which took support near 5th June. So nearly it has a triple bottom kind of structure, and there is and many times it took support here near this space 5,595 level. So in 14th December also it took nearby support, and above that it moved upside after that, and pulled back. If you see how much it pulled back, it is near 0.78% of the rally and moved up. And after creating high here 7046, it dropped to the near to double bottom levels. It created a on 5th August. That is the time all the global markets fell due to war and Japan rising interest rates. So that is the bottom for this crude. And after that, it moved nearly from 6,000 to current 500, 500 to 550 points. So since 2 days, it is correcting a bit. Yesterday, it created a high here, 6,700, and it dropped. Today also it is trading little lower. This is time frame analysis. We'll see 1 hour. 1 hour, if you see, it is moving in nice channel. It is a day channel only. From the bottom it created on from the bottom it created on August 5th, and it is moving in this channel. So this is the top. Now actually it is in range. We have to see if it breaks the trend line and the horizontal support is powerful. So this is a good level. If it holds, then we can see some trade. As of now, sorry, my voice is coming echo. As of now, it is. So it is trading here. Some echo noise. Sorry for the distance. It is trading near this place. So let us see if we get any trade or not. See, for a day trader or positional trader, whenever there is a good setup, only we have to trade. Otherwise, it will be loss making trade. So we have to wait for the setup. If you can't wait for the setup, then it's a waste of time, and you cannot be a day trader or positional trader. So sorry. So since four candles, almost like 4 hours, it is staying in the same place. After it opened here 6642 from yesterday drop, it is staying here near this horizontal support and trend line support. Both are good place. Means it will be have it will take good support here. So both are. It's a good combination, horizontal support and trend line support. So if it holds well, we will see any pullback comes. It has to clear day high for going upside. Then target can be 6724. And day, if it breaks here, we will see any trade. As of now, no trade is there. So we can put one more trend line here. This is, you can put this as well. So let us see. This is this red line 6562 6540 is also day low and support also. So I took support here 6540, and it is trading there. So let us wait. There is no trade. Even though it created lower low, we have to see. Because support is there, day low. If it breaks day low only, we will take a trade. Otherwise, we will wait and watch for the next trade in the crude. So let me see P and C setup. If there is anything, any opportunity is there, we'll see. Those who joined, please like and share. and please subscribe so that it will be helpful. We'll have daily analysis on crude or Bitcoin or Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Okay, let me see the CLP opportunity. Anything is there. Minus. If it holds here, it can create a fake breakdown and move up. It is a trend line support too. So better not to short here unless it falls like this, unless it breaks down and retest, then only we can after some retest and come down again, then we can see some PE trade. Otherwise, we'll wait and watch. It can take support and move up. Those who are watching, please like and subscribe so that it will be helpful, and it is encouraging to me to conduct live sessions. See, it is taking support here. If you see the MACD, volatility is not much there, so it's creating small volatility here. Not much movement is there. You can chat once you are watching the live. Please chat. If anything, any query is there, you can chat. At this point, we have to wait and watch because after creating a high here, it dropped. So PE gave good near to 40 50 points, 6700 PE. But since we are not in that trade, let's wait for another trade. And it is taking support here. Trendline support is there, and it has to break. If you want to take PE trade, it has to break down and retest. Otherwise, you will not. It is having horizontal support as well as trendline support. Combination, it will be good support. So risky to take a trade. I will use EMS and so I use CPR indicator. So it is. I will explain later once we get. I will create a video on how to use CPR. So basically, um, after hitting, this is a little bit narrow CPR, not big wide and or too narrow, medium type CPR. So what is the medium type is? It will be like momentum will be big. Sometimes it will be previous day if you see it is wider CPR, and on 12th August if I'm showing here, right, it is narrow CPR. So see the momentum, it will be big. If it is narrow CPR, it will be big. If it is wide CPR, momentum will be less. It is medium type, so momentum will be there. We get a trade here. So CPR will act as a resistance. It will take the support here. It's a good opportunity to short when it is in CPR. So if I am in the trade, if I have to take a trade in the morning, so I will short this place. After it breaks, the support, it consolidated near CPR. Once this consolidation breaks, it gave good amount of nearly 40 to if it takes 6700 PA, near to 40 45 points up. So this is very good strategy to follow. CPR, I rely on CPR mostly. So it took support near S1 and it is staying here. Here, a lot of things are there. S1 support is there, and trendline support is there. EMA 64 is there. Even though it is between, now it consolidates, means it will not go up or go down. So we have to see whatever trade we got in the earlier today, that is good trade. So we have to wait for another trade. If it breaks, here we have triangle type of support. Upside CPR support is there, and downside trendline support is there, and S1 support is also there. So all these kind of supports are there. So it is trading in the narrow range. We can say it's like it is stuck in one range, and lot of upside and downside, lot of supports are there. And if anything is there, please comment in the chat box. It is open, we can chat. If any query is there, you can chat. As I said about CPR, I will make a separate video on CPR, how to use CPR indicators. So as of now, it's a good trade to short in the when the crude is open, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles means 6 hours it consolidated and breakdown. So if I am there in the trade means during that time I will put this consolidation range and I would have traded on the break of this consolidation range. I will trade. If we miss that one again, it came near CPR. That is also another opportunity. So 15 above 15 points, near to 15 points stop loss and 40 points target we can get from this trade. Two times it has given. It touched the trend line almost and bounced back. And again CPR will act as a resistance. And on top of it, there is EMA 21 that is also trending down. Means it will hit, but the target from CPR to S1 is less. So we have to see for less points only, because nearby supports are there. So not much big momentum will be there. Unless it breaks S1, it will come near to S2. On the upside, CPR will act as a tough resistance. So we have to see how it breaks CPR. Then only we can take upside CE side trades. All are silent viewers. No one is doing commenting anything. Please comment if you have any queries. So as of now, there is no trade because downside we have, and it is stuck in the race from CPR to S1, and we have trend line support also. So we have to wait for next trade. If you see the chart, it gave two trades in the today. If it breaks this range, it created a range of six candles. Means this is hourly candle, and when it breaks, it gave nearly up to S1, and again it pulled back near to CPR again, and this can be shorted based on the low time frame, and up to trend line target will be. So these trades, two trades for today. As of now, any fresh trade we have to wait. But setup looks as of now for PE, and whatever trade if it is taken near CPR, that is like trailing only. This is not for fresh trade. New trades not allowed. So this is good. Trading is like we have to wait for the right setup, then only we have to take. If no setup is there, risk reward will not be good, and also you will lose your money. So no use of taking the random trades. Capital protection is one of the important things. That is the lesson I have learned. We have to protect the capital. So to avoid that, we have to do trading in a disciplined way. So let's wait. We'll put a lower time frame, 15 minutes, and see. See whatever I told in the higher time frame, it broke the range. It broke the range, and it gave nice lower end of range. It gave nice, and again it pulled back. Here it is. It went. It range acts as a resistance or support. If if it is downside, it acts as a support. If it is upside, it acts as a resistance. So again, shorting opportunity came below this candle. So two trades only. So it is taking support here. Slight support is there. If it breaks also, we have S1 here. If you put CPR, it will show S1. S1 is horizontal support for the day. These are daily supports. Pivot is for today, and S1, S2, S3. And downside, upside, we have resistance R1, R2, R3. So they act as a support on downside, and upside resistance. Red color is resistance. So if anybody need about CPR, I can explain more. Please like and subscribe so that we can. It will be encouraging for me to conduct many live sessions. See, as of now, there is no trade. There is no proper setup as of now for further trades. Since morning, if you see, it gave two trades. Please like and share. What is the pattern forming? Okay, we will see what is further pattern. We will remove here this range. Whenever there is a consolidation, see here there is a consolidation. Okay, and we will put volume also. Whenever there is a consolidation, so this is the box. There was box, you can say, or normal range. Range means when it reaches here, that will be high, and when it reaches downside, it will be range. It is called as range. It will move in that. It will move in this range temporarily. It can be accumulation or distribution. Range can be accumulation. Downside, if it falls, yeah, they're accumulating puts, something like that we can say. If it is upside, if it moves, then we can say accumulation going on for buying calls or buying futures. So we have to identify what is going on, which side it goes. So we have to mark the range. First thing what we have to do is we have to identify the range. So I'm putting in hourly candle or 15 minutes candle. So high is this one and low is, I identified a range and I marked the range. So whenever there is a break, see here this candle, a break on either side. It can be break on either side. If it breaks upside, we have to look for trade upside CE or buy futures. If it is breaks downside, we have to see for PE and or short futures. So two options we have to do. And in this period, no trade. If it is going on in range for buying, there is no trade. So here it broke the range. This is the first candle. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock it broke and retested again. So this is the place where we have to take PE trade. And it moved and it broke the low of previous candle, again broke the low of previous candle, and we have trend line here. If we draw from here, we have trend line. We can book nearly, it will be 30 to above 30 to 40 points we can book in this trade. There can be one more trade, one more type. This is confirmation trade. Another one is anticipation trade. Anticipation, as I told, CPR. It hit CPR of high, mid line of CPR. So whenever it is in CPR, we can anticipate and take a short trade or buy PE. So stop loss also will be less. Upside of CPR will be stop loss, and target can be, if it falls, can be S1. So here up to here, our trend line horizontal support is there. So the target will be S1. So nearly it hit. So that is called as a range. One setup we can say as a range broken, range trading or Darvaz box trading. And one more pattern we can see. We'll see. Sorry. So this can be one more is there. We can see like this, and it is not yet formed. So it is forming like this. W. This is called as W. This double bottom. It can be a W format. This is in this process we can say it is incomplete as of now. Any hourly pattern is there, we have to see. So one pattern, confirmed pattern is range. Darvaz box pattern is there. So basing on that, that is easy to take a trade. Identify the range, and if it breaks the range on that side, you have to take trade and put stop loss on above the candle we have taken. So we have taken here means we have to put the stop loss above this one. In trading, nothing is confirmed, only probability. So basing on this range box range probability setup, this pattern we can follow like this, and it is one of the most successful pattern. What is wrong it can happen is it can give fake breakdown. So that's why we have to take confirmation trades only. So if I go to lower side, lower candle, see it broke down and retested again. So this is the place we have to. This is the area. See this much opportunity it gave in 5 minutes. If I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, it gave opportunity to enter the trade, and target will be trend line trend line or S1 support. Immediate targets will be. This is one good setup. You can follow in day trading or positional. Positional means we have to take in stocks or crude or anything, any instrument. But we have to take as higher time frame, above 1 hour daily. Swing means 1 hour. Daily means few days, 2 months, 3 months like that. So this is one of the most successful setup we can follow for range there was box trading. This is one pattern. So like that, if anything is there, please comment, like and share so that it will be encouraging for me to conduct. So if you see again, it is taking support here because it's already down from here and from this high point CPR point. It has to give one more swing high, or it has to, this is the swing point, and upside, this is the swing point, and this is CPR also. This range wherever this box is there, it is a CPR place. So it is it will act as a resistance since my crude is trading downside of CPR. And we have to see only PE trades. If it breaks above CPR, we have to see long trades. If anyone joining newly to this live, please subscribe and like so that it will be useful. It will be encouraging for me. So as of now, it's breaking the range. It is fake or not, we have to see. But okay, wonderful. Wonderful, it is breaking. So I'll put CPR again. See, see what I am telling. It is taking CPR support. But those who are holding PE already or short already, only they are eligible to trade this one. Otherwise, it will be risk. Risk reward will not be favorable. See what I am saying. It bounced. So CPR and support pivot points will act as a support and resistance. See how we are seeing. Until we get a good setup, we should not trade. Even though it is giving trade, if you are already in trade, that's fine. We have to trial it. But new trade, it is not advisable. So we have to trade with discipline. Otherwise, no use. Even luckily, if you win one or 10 times, rest of the time you will lose. So there is no use. If there is no setup, that's it. No trading. Discipline and you have to follow the setup and discipline. You have to follow our plan and setup with discipline. So let us see we are taking the support or not. So what is the plan is? So we will see if it breaks here and retest again, we can plan a trade. So this is for only those who are holding the trade already. Otherwise, no use for new traders. Because it is near support, risk reward will not be good. If it bounces from here, there is a chance of going to CPR again. So it will hit stop loss. But those who are holding already from shorting from the high, for them it's okay. Today the momentum is less. It is slowly moving down. and we have S1 here, so it is taking support here. And PEs are hitting day high because it's already day. This is day low. This is day low. So new day low is created. We have to mark day low, day highs. So we will mark here. Earlier this was day low, but now this is fresh day low. And we'll see if it breaks and retests, then we can enter new trade. Otherwise, we will wait. No trade in a day also fine. We'll save our capital and we can try next day. There can be long trade too. See the pattern forming here is a W type. It should not be this is like W and it can be like this also. Means fresh day low and can move up. But it has to when we have to take is if it breaks the neckline we have to take. So as of now PE holders are earning good because if you are holding PE from the top, it's only trial. Setup is good for PE. But for fresh trades, you have to wait. See, we kept day low here. So if it retests S1 again or horizontal support or trend line, even though it broke a trend line, you'll wait for fresh trade. If you anyone joining newly to live, please like and subscribe. This is blue line is 200 EMA, red line is 21 EMA. So obviously, if something is below 21 and 200, it will be shorting only. But a favorable trade is not for us at this point because it is near supports. So if it reverses again or retests, it's not good. But those who are holding from the beginning, from here or here, for them it is a favorable trade. Just try the trade. That's it. So I use CPR. CPR is very helpful in day trading. So if it is trading below CPR, I have to I will see for short opportunities. If it is above CPR, I will see for long opportunities. CPR will act as a support and resistance. Most of the time it works for me. So you can try later. I can make a video on CPR. It is very helpful indicator. So it created. We have to see the volumes also. See it created very big candle, volume candle. See it is taking support here and we can see a lower time frame to 5 minutes also we can see it is taking support here. If it breaks here like this and retest this support we'll try. Trading is very boring. Whenever there is a setup only we have to trade, otherwise If there is no risk reward for the trade, you should not attempt. That is discipline. Strictly, you have to follow the setup. It is bouncing near S1. See fresh shots are not advisable. See how it is bouncing. One pullback if you see, we will see for shorting again. Nice. It is forming very good candle now. It can be tweezer bottom or it can be engulfing. Closing we have to see. Because in 10 seconds it can change the candlestick closing. See it just dump down. For candle closing we have 26 minutes, 20 seconds. So no comments, no one is commenting, only one person commenting. See candle closed, but it's not, it is having rejection big on the upside. So we have to see. If anyone joined newly, please like and subscribe. Even MACD is also suggesting downside only. But for fresh trades, we have to wait. Only those who are holding shorts from the high, they only can trail. Otherwise, for fresh trades, this is not a good place to take because it is near support. Risk reward will not be good. See, if we see that pattern, here also small range created. Small range. So this is a big candle. If you see, this is one big candle, and it didn't close above 50% of this candle. So downside possibility only there. But the thing is, we are near trend line support. The play, even though setup is there, we have to see the location of the trade. That is also important thing. If the location is not clear, then the risk reward will not be good. It can be random trading. Those who are holding from high, shorted at high, near to this place. Only for them it is holding the shots. For new trader, for any new trade, you have to wait. So nothing is there as of now. It's like time pass. Only for already holding shots, for them only it is good now. For new trades, there is no trade because it is near support. It is consolidating and breaking down, consolidating and breaking down. And PE, if you see 6700 PE, it is up near 60 70 points from 97 to 165, near to 170. So today it is good for shorting because market opened near CPR, crude opened near CPR, and it is high probability trade. We can short if it breaks the CPR. So this is the one, and it pulled back from S1, and again it hit CPR. One more trade it gave. So it is trading in range. If it breaks S1 only, fresh trade, or if it pull back upside, then we can go for uh, CE trade. CPR is good indicator for intraday trading. It is very helpful. It comes under price action only, not like EMS. EMS just we are putting. It's like they are support like trend lines only. They are like a period support. The CPR will have three lines: upper, lower, and middle CPR, middle line, and S1, S2, S3, S4. So it is breaking down. And upside we have R1, R2, R3. See, nice trades it has given. It has created the range near CPR and it breaks near to S1. It gave one and it pulled back. It's like a higher low. And now it created lower low. It broke day low too. See, PEs are creating good movement. Setup is good for PE because the market is open near CPR and moved down to S1. And CPR type is medium CPR. Previously, if we see 2 days, it is wide CPR and it is narrow CPR. It is medium kind of CPR. We can identify basing on CPR how the movement will be. Easily we can identify trending or non-trending. We can easily identify. See day low, fresh day low it created. See volume of this candle. If anything, it has to move. It is exactly it created near trend line. When it breaks trend line, lot of stop losses will be there near trend line, below the trend line. So all those might have hit. Stop loss hitting, stop loss hunting. See the volume here, big red candle, and it is continuing. Let us see for fresh trade anything comes here. If anyone joining new to live trading, please subscribe and if you are liking, please like the Please click like button. It will be encouraging for me to conduct live sessions. CPR is a very good indicator, and it is fixed in a day. Unlike EMS, EMS will change if you change the time frame. Any time frame, CPR will be same. So I use one more indicator, MACD. See, even this is also showing some down movement. So those who are holding PE, it is very good trade. It is not encouraging to take new trades because it is near support. See, it is bouncing near S1 and day low, but it is sustains or not, we have to see. But as of now, it is riding only. If somebody is shorting near day high, it is just riding only. See, it is bouncing near CPR, near S1. Green line is S1, and this one is day low. New day low is created. So, see, whenever it breaks support, trend line support, it gives this much big candle and volume candle. See how much volume, big candle. Volume, if it is red means it doesn't mean it is selling only. Green means it doesn't mean buying only. It can be other way too. So volume is a big subject again. So I will create one video possible maybe later on volumes. Volume plays a very good role. We have to understand volume, how it works. Hello sir. Hi sir. Yeah, please tell me sir your query. Sorry, I didn't see your query. Aksharasin. Yeah, please type what is the query you have. Okay. Okay. Okay, it is near day low and P's are hitting high. 6700 PE near to 173 now. But it is for riding only, no fresh trades. Some good retracement is required. Otherwise, no use. It is like, see, it is very far to EMS2 and it is near support. So only for trailing the trades only it is good. Otherwise, no use entering freshly for trade. Okay. We can try this if it is it's a small trade for the take. See how volumes are creating very big volume candles. Now volatility came. Big players entered, then only these big volumes will come. So this is the trade we can try for today. Stop loss. Stop loss 22 points. Target 50 points. Small one because this is already below S1. If it is high from near CPR, it would have been nearly 80, 90 points. Very good trade it would have been. But for new people, it is a small one. Stop loss is very less and target is almost 1 is to 2.2. So if we take some trade, it should be like this. Minimum 1 is to 1 and above only it should be. If we lose 22 points, we lose. If we win, it will be rewarding more than 1 is to 1. If it hits stop loss, we will exit. That's it. No, there is no question about trading. We will wait. Losses are also part of the game. It's a part of trading. So what we have to learn is how much less loss we have to put. But when we are winning, it should be bigger. So it is moving up. You have to wait. It retested as well. One good candle breakdown, it will hit target. Let us see, we have to wait. So it has to break down that hammer candle. Then our target S2 will hit easily. It's forming minor support here. So it has to close below this. It's going down. We have to see this low, it has to break. Then it will move easily to S2 very fast. Yeah, it's going down. One big candle required. Excellent. Trial here, book some profit or trial here. Otherwise, see it is coming near day low. Excellent. Start trailing. It's already above 1 is to 1. So it is bouncing back after touching day low. Whatever profit is there, we should not lose. So trial it. Move the stop loss to cost so that no loss, no profit. If it breaks day low, next candle we have to see. It has to close below this halo. Excellent. Then stop loss put here, this one, so that at least this much you can save. This is called trading, so that we will not make loss in this trade. If this candle closes below this line, only hold it if it completes next candle. Otherwise, exit this trade because there is a reason. In PS, already they are hitting S2, but here R2, sorry R2, but here it did not hit S2. Exit because P is already touched above R2, so it is facing resistance there. So we will book a small trade here. That's it. Or if you want to trial it, keep SL here and run it. Otherwise you can exit. Two options. Trailing is also fine because this much we are capturing. Because R2 P is 6700 P already near R2. So I am having my dinner too. If if it hits here S2, Ps will hit R3. So that's how it is. Like this, if we do with discipline, we can avoid losses and we can avoid wow trading too. Even though it is a big thing to say, because easy to say but difficult to follow, we have to do a lot of practice for that. CET, training stop loss. But today is very good because it is very good setup, my favorite setup. It touched midline of CPR, and from there, good shorting opportunity it gave. And again, pull back to CPR, this much fall. day low broken, it is fresh day low. We can say this is fresh day low. You can remove this. It can touch us too, but our trade is done because P's are already near R2, facing resistance there. So better to capture whatever we get. Small one. At least 1:1. But let us see will whether it is going to touch us to or bounce here. PE prices moved nearly 35 points from 173 to 208, 6700 PE. Still, it is showing upside only PE, but one pullback is pending. If we see hourly candle, nearly two big candles. This is a big candle. I will remove this small. This is the low, and it is bouncing down here. Almost P's are facing resistance near R2. So one pullback is pending. One pullback can be till previous swing low, previous swing low. So this is the place. So that is also S1 area. We have to see price action here. If it sustains here, then it will be pulled back somewhat higher. The next level will be this one. These are dropping quickly. This we can remove. Only day low will keep. Big green candle came. Near S1 again. So we have to see the price action here. It has to break S1 and this horizontal support means, and also EMA 21 is there in 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes time frame. So, so it has to go up with full volume and close above that S1, then only upside possible. Otherwise, it will fail again. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's We can stop here in 5 10 minutes. We will see it breaks or not. Just 10 minutes we will watch. Two candles. But no trade is there. No trade is advisable because we got only small trade out of big fall. So further, if any new trade, there are a lot of things here. It has to break down, swing low here, but immediate next support is there. S2 is there, so no point of taking this trade. and upside trend line is there. And this box will also act as resistance if you pull this one. So either side, no trade unless it moves very full swing. Some good setup is there. Then only we have to take fresh trade because it's almost like 9 o'clock. If we wait for 10-15 minutes, it will be waste to take a trade. Either side, both sides, we have supports. See, it is taking resistance here, S1. Another two candles we will see. If it breaks day low again, it will form a big candle up to S2. Okay, it is consolidating here. Okay, let's stop here and thank you very much for joining live. Yeah, we'll end the live here. Okay, thank you everyone.